Hi guys, I'm Padilla with We Are the Artist Photography, and today we'll be going over how to perfect those images that just did not come out perfect in camera, but we're going to save it in Photoshop. So we're going to be using the Liquify tool today, and what the first thing we're going to do to create this effect and to be non-destructive is we're going to create a duplicate of the background. So we're hitting Command J, and then we're going to go up and we're going to go into Filter, and then we're going to go to Liquify. So once this pops up, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start pushing, and we're going to see, hey, let's not push it too far to the point where it looks like we're warping everything. A good way to combat this is to use the freeze brush. So the freeze brush is located on your left-hand side. It looks like a little brush inside of a square. And all I'm going to do is try to make sure that she doesn't get warped like too much. So all I'm doing is making sure she doesn't get warped too much in her face. And then you can go ahead and start kind of pulling and pushing. And then while you're pulling and pushing, you're kind of having this huge brush. So you're not going too detailed into the image, and you're not like overly doing it in a specific location. And then we're going to go ahead and brush that off. And to brush it off, it's literally just the eraser on the bottom. You can see these other tools here. There's bloat, there's other tools that you may want to use. They probably wouldn't be the best for this kind of session. Let me just show you here. So this one's called a push. So while it is pushing, it's not the effect that we want. So we're just gradually pushing a little by little by little, and we're trying to just make it look as seamless as possible without distorting too much of the little face or anything like that. So this does take a little while to do, but that's what you need. You want to take as much time as possible to try to correct this in Photoshop. And then this is what we'll get. This is the before, and this is the after. And yeah, I think it's a dramatic difference. So if you guys ever try to create something and it doesn't exactly turn out the way that you wanted it in camera because either baby was touchy or baby was not positioned correctly and you didn't notice until you were editing, this helps so much. Alright guys, I'm Padilla with We Are the Artist Photography, and I will talk to you guys again very soon. Bye!